guys, welcome back to Drawing for Kids. Today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute little bear. All you're going to need is a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper. Go get yourself sorted and we'll get started. Okay, so let's get started on our cute little bear. So we're going to start with the head. So we'll start more on the left hand side of the paper. And we're just going to do, as if we're going to be drawing a circle. So about there, we're going to do our bear's ears. And on this side also. And we can join our head up, like so. We're going to add our eyes in, so I'm just going to do one here, fill that in, and then one here also, about the same size. Do our little nose. And do our mouth like that. So our head almost done. Just need to add some little features of the ears, like this. Lovely. Now we can move on to our body. Okay, so our body, we're going to, from the top of our head here, body's going to come out, and down, and then from just under our chin here, going to come out too. Do our first leg like this. And just under the chin again, we're going to bring the line down to our first foot. Do our second foot and bring it up to there. See that perfect? I'm going to do our third foot like this. And draw it up. Like so. And then finally we need to do our bear's tail, which comes off here and like so. So that's today's episode over. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget, if you have any more suggestions, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you soon.